Bybit just released one of the most exciting reward ever, and it's about trading on TradFi. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trade on TradFi and how to claim your free $10 as far as you follow the instruction I'm going to give here. All right. So the first thing you need to understand is, okay, this is our community here, and this is where I posted it, and I promise I'm going to do tutorial on it for those who want to do it. And you can actually also trade with even as low as $5 on this particular one. You can see that we recommend Netflix, as you can trade this pair with as low as $10. You can even trade as low as $5. So there are rules to follow. The first rule is that you click on this link. You click on this link here. Okay, let me bring out the brush. You click on this link here. You register with my partnership code. If you did not register with my partnership code, you might not have it on your Bybit. So make sure you register or transfer your identity to my partnership code to continue enjoying more offers. All right. So all you just need to do, when you click on the link, you wait for it to load. So if this is the first time you are watching video on this channel, please make sure you subscribe. We are aiming 2,000 followers before the end of the year. Please help us achieve that dream. All right. So there are two things happening. If you register with my partnership code right now, you can also get Space S stock worth $50 if you register with my link, and also verify your identity, and also do what we called deposit of $100. You can see, if you deposit $100, you are going to, and there are many ways to earn on Bybit right now if you register using our partnership code. All right. So the first thing, they tell you to verify, then you deposit $100. This trade is also another task if you want to follow that. But all you just need to do, click on this sign up. When you click on this sign up, you will see welcome to Bybit, and the next thing is you choose, are you Nigerian? You choose yes, and you can just select your country now, right? So this is the main thing. You will see Solid Crypto here. This Solid Crypto is global. This Solid Crypto, if it is spelled like this, you will see it is marked like this. If you didn't see it marked like this, don't register, right? So when it is like that, you can now continue with either Google or maybe your email or phone number. It's that simple. It's that simple. All right. So after you're done with that, you go and verify. And after you've verified, you go to your reward hub. So let's go to our reward hub now to see the offer. All right. You are back on Bybit, and when you come to your Bybit, you can see some of the reward hub is here, or you click on the dashboard here to see it. Right. So let's click on the reward hub now. So when we click on the reward hub, you can see there are different offers, but that's not the one we are looking at right now. We are looking at this particular one. They said first TradFi trade is for people that have not traded TradFi before. All right. So you click on accept. Of course, you click on accept. So when you click on accept, yeah, you are in now. You are in now because you have already clicked on accept. You need to click on this accept before you do anything. If you do not click on accept, it won't work. Right? It won't work. So, okay. Now we have clicked on accept, and let's see it here. Okay, this is our format. Now that you have clicked on accept, the next thing you need to do is to transfer money to your TradFi account. So how do you do that? Okay, let's go this way. You can just click on this more and scroll down. You will see your TradFi here, right? So when you see your TradFi here, you click on TradFi, and it takes you here. Okay, normally they will tell you to apply. You read and you apply. All right. When you apply, they tell you what to do. You read all this just for you to understand how it works, right? Then you click on continue. You mark and click on continue. So when you click on continue, okay, good. The account is ready. They tell you to transfer some funds from your funding to TradFi. So let me transfer 10 USDT. You just click on it. So when you click on transfer and you have transferred it will take like 30 seconds for you to reach your account. You see, that is what they are trying to tell us here. That's what they are trying to tell us here. So good, we are done with that. The next thing is look at your account. You check your account under TradFi. It's not there yet because it will take at least 30 seconds for it to reach there. All right, so let's go back to our TradFi, and based on the advice, you are using Netflix. Okay, good. Okay, I will explain another thing here. Okay, you can see Netflix is actually pumping right now. So just for the purpose of this tutorial, I will just let me check if the money is here already. Good, it's here already. So you can see it's not USDT here, it is USDS. USDS is just 1:1 to USDT here. So even if you see it on USDS, it doesn't mean anything. You can still convert it again to USDT. It's still the same thing, right? So I haven't done that. If you want to, based on the fact that the token, the stock is pumping right now, let's go long. So I will buy. So the minimum, you can just put 0.1 lot, right? TPSL, you can set it depending on what you are seeing in the market that time. You click on buy. So when you click on buy, see live and direct, we are in the market now. You can now click on okay, let's set the TP, let's set the SL. TP is your take profit, while your SL is your the selling profit, right? So okay, from here you have already entered the trade right now. I've already entered the trade. Then the next thing is, okay, I'm forgetting something. Right now you have already entered the trade, and you can see the token is already under TradFi. The token is already under TradFi. It means you have already performed the task. All you just need to do is to okay, let's check the task again. Let's check the task again. Right, let's check the task. Okay, I'm not seeing the task here. Go to my reward. Okay, I have a reward here. I haven't used I have a reward here I haven't used, so make use of it. Okay, so let me check the task. So normally you need to get $10 worth of volume for you to qualify. So I just use $10 there. You can also use $7, any amount that you have, right? You can use $5 too. It will go for that 0.1 lot. So if you want to check your position and see how it is going, you click on this notification and you come down, you see this reward, the task ID, and you click on it. When you click on it, you will see the task is the recent one. So right now we have 7.58 volume. It's still remaining 10 USD. It's still remaining like is it 2 point something for it to complete. All right, so let's click on that. Let's trade. Okay, complete this task below to earn reward. The reward will be automatically created once you complete the task. The reward will be distributed within 5 days of task completion. So there's still going to be a risk analysis on it. All right, okay, I'm coming. All right. Okay, when you come here, because we need to just accumulate the $10 worth of position, I'll just close now and re-enter the market again. So let's close. Let's re-enter the market again. Okay, let me click on buy again. Okay, submitted. Now let's go and check if that has solved it. Okay, let's go here. Let's go here. Okay, you might as well leave it a little so that because I just entered the trade just now, so it might take time for it to like read. Okay, let's wait a little. All right, so let's go and check again and see if it has worked here. So let's click on that reward and we click on good. It is done. You receive your reward once verification is complete. Estimation left time left is 5 days 10 hours. Okay, good. We are done with it right now. We are done. All you just need to do is to wait for 5 hours, 5 days and 10 hours, and when it is credited, you can use it to trade or you can just withdraw direct. So that is that about that. So if you find this video very helpful, please help us subscribe and help us share with your community, right? Help us share with your community. This is Bybit, and Bybit is doing this to gain more users, right? So please join our community. You will see the link in the description of this video and everything you need to know in the description of this video. Please help us subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next 3 days. We post every 3 days. All right, guys, I didn't do where to withdraw your money back. So when the reward is back, all you just need to do is to come to this side. Like if you want to close it, you close it here and you come to your asset back. When you come to your asset back, you click on transfer, and when you click on transfer, you switch it to TradFi, right? You switch it to from TradFi. You click on TradFi, you switch it to it is on funding before you click on mass. All right, and you click on confirm. So in 30 seconds your money will be back to your normal account from the TradFi account. You understand? It will take 30 seconds to process that. So that is what I didn't do before, but I just remember I just have to put that there because I know you guys will be asking that kind of question, right? So see you next 3 days. Thank you for watching. Okay, let me confirm if it has dropped. Let me confirm if it has dropped. I just want to confirm if it has dropped. Good, it has dropped. It has dropped. So you can see our TradFi account is now 0 and the funding is back. All right, so see you